Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. So this little recipe is just perfect, super comforting for an autumn evening. You're going to love it. Plus the whole family will love it, you'll see. We're starting with sweet potatoes that we're going to make Tex-Mex style. So we're going to bake our sweet potatoes in the oven, we'll split them in half and we'll garnish them with good things. So ingredients borrowed from Tex-Mex cuisine. You'll see, it's super good and there's a little version, a little gourmet twist that I'll also give you during the video. You'll need sweet potatoes, corn, black beans or red beans, avocado, here some Greek yogurt or thick creme fraiche, lime, cilantro and spices, smoked paprika, cumin. You can use onion powder if you have it, that works well too. First step, super simple. So first, try to choose sweet potatoes that are quite nice like this with a rather regular shape. Sometimes you find some that are a bit all twisted. For our recipe, these are the ones you need. You're going to place them on a tray lined with baking paper and pop into the oven for 45 minutes at 180 degrees. There, the sweet potatoes are out of the oven. We'll let them cool down a bit so we can cut them in half. And you see when the skin is a bit soft like this and all, that's it. It's a good sign. It means the flesh inside is well cooked. So first step, super simple. You're going to mix the beans in a bowl. So here I've used black beans, the corn, equal amounts. We're going to add some spices. I'm going to add a little bit of smoked paprika. Here I have some onion powder. You can add small diced red onion. That works very well too. Cumin. So here I have cumin seeds. I'm going to grind them quickly. And now you mix all that. So for a more gourmet version, you can also add a little bit of cheese to this recipe. If you want to add cheese, you can either open the potatoes, put the cheese on top and put them back in the oven for 5 minutes like that. The cheese melts. Or you can add diced cheese directly into this mixture with the corn and red beans. Now for a little lime sauce. First, I'm going to start by taking some zest here in some Greek yogurt. Thick creme fraiche is great with this recipe. It works so well. If you want a slightly lighter version, Greek yogurt is perfect. Let's go for the juice as well. I'll add a little bit of fleur de sel, a little turn of pepper too, and a bit of juice. We mix it all together well. There, what I like about this lime yogurt sauce is that it's a little tangy, which is perfect to contrast with the sweet potato, which is sweet. Perfect, great. Yes, you take a nice avocado like this. Usually, if they're ripe enough, you can even peel them like this. And we're going to cut it into cubes. So we have everything we need for plating. Look, I have a little bit of lime juice left. I'll put it on the avocado to prevent it from oxidizing. And if you want to season it with a little paprika and all, go ahead. Smoked paprika, cumin, a little bit of fleur de sel, we're good. So the idea is to take a sweet potato, split it in half like this. You can open it up. Yes, look how beautiful the flesh is, and then garnish the inside. We'll start by putting in the bean and corn mixture, the spiced one. I'm going to add a little bit of the lime cream. There, and then we'll put the avocado on top. And of course, it will need some chopped cilantro. So the cilantro there, I had rinsed my bunch. You can use the stems and the leaves of the cilantro, that's what's cool. And there's the final touch. Oof, wow, you're going to love this. So don't hesitate if you want a more gourmet version. You can add some grated cheese on top. You can use thick creme fraiche instead of Greek yogurt, but I wanted to make a nice, healthy recipe. As you can see, it's super healthy. You're going to love it. It's a complete meal. There's protein from the beans and all, and carbs from the sweet potato and so on. Honestly, it's the best. You could serve this with a little green salad on the side. And you're all set. Thanks everyone for watching this video. So I'm counting on you, of course, to like, share and comment. It's super important. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hervé Cuisine. And so I'll see you next week every Friday. See you soon. Bye.